Hello guys, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer money from your linked bank account to your Cash App. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, what you want to do is open your Cash App on your mobile phone. So you need to make sure that your Cash App is installed on your mobile phone and updated. Then you want to tap on the Balance tab located at the bottom left corner of the screen. And after you do that, you want to click on the add cash and enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank account. So for easier method, you want to follow step 1, 2, and 3. After that, what you want to do is you want to tap on the add button, then choose the option to add funds from your linked bank account, whichever account you have logged in. Then the sixth step is to follow the prompts to enter your bank account details such as bank number and routing number to your Cash App. So if you follow these steps, your amount will be added into your Cash App. And the second and the third thing that you want to do, or the seventh step you want to follow, is you want to confirm the transfer by entering any required verification codes or authentication methods provided by your bank. So once your transfer is complete, the funds will be available in your Cash App balance. Please be ready to use for payment or transfer to another Cash App user. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. If this video helped you out, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Lee, signing out. I'll see you in the next one.